Everybody knows the Bergeon 5700 case opener. It's a basic tool we use all day, every day, and still got some very nice features. For example, worst case scenario, you slip out of the watch case and you make scratches. Horrible. So if you are in the watch case, please use this nut. Keeps it in position, doesn't slip out, no scratches. These inserts are designed for the space between the lugs. And they are specially designed, and when you put them in, the crystal doesn't touch the tool, so no scratches. If you want to open a watch case that is very fragile, or maybe gold, very soft material, we never use this. We use the polyurethane opener that opens it with friction, like this. No scratches, perfect opening for soft materials.